Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the PCM relay is located on this 2010 Chrysler Town and Country. This is the same as the Dodge Grand Caravan. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? It really helps out a lot. First thing that you need to do is come pop your hood. You're going to come right over here to the under the hood fuse box. So you push in on these two tabs and lift the lid. There is a diagram right here to tell you that this relay right here, this is your PCM relay. So that is right there in the top corner as far as relays go. If I can find this relay on Amazon, I will have it linked down in the description below. But I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.